Now if I look at the other words, if I look at garrulous, garrulous is again related to what? It is again related to talking. Adjective, so it means talkative. Okay. Okay, so if I look at another word, that is verbatim. As the word verb means word, so verbatim means word for word. So it is related to that. Okay. If I am saying elocution, so what is elocution then? Is that delivering, expressive delivery? You must have seen some competitions as well. Next, if we look at ineffable, ineffable, right? So the word effari basically means utter, and in means not. So not able to speak, so unable to express. In words. Okay, now if you remember, we also look at this word circum. It means around. So if we look at this word circum, this root word, so we have what? Circumference, right? Circle. And another word, that is circumlocution or circumlocatory. Okay, circumlocution. Circumlocution means evasive speech. Evasive speech or talking around the subject. Right, not coming to, because most of the politicians speak like this, right? So you can say the politician had perfected the art of circumlocution. Right, because the politicians often speak like this, huh? They don't give you the right answer, they just go round and round and round until you stop asking them the question and you move on. Okay, so another thing related to this circumlocution is what? Discursive. It is again an adjective, and it means straying away from the topic, right? And the synonyms are pretty similar: digressive and desultory. Okay, now I am gonna stop you over here and just look at the number of words that we have done. Discursive, digressive, desultory, 3 words, and then circumlocution 4th, evasive speech 5th if you want, ineffable 6, 7, elocution, and if I look at it over 10 over here and around 5 over here. So we have done nearly 30 words in 5 to 10 minutes. This is the thing that I really want my students to understand, that they can just memorize the words without spending that much time, and it's not that difficult when you use the root words. Now you have some idea. Discursive, okay, straying away from the top. Digressive means the same thing, desultory means the same thing. So you have some idea of the words so that you can use them in your sentences. This is the end of the session. Hope you guys have understood. Please give your remarks in the comments.